Hi, and welcome back to our video series on editing your WordPress website. In this tutorial, we're going to go over how to add a blog page to your website. If you don't already have a blog page set up, it can be a little bit confusing to figure out where that setting would be to add that. And so that's what we're going to be going over here. So I'm just going to go ahead and go back to the WordPress dashboard, and I'm going to go to Appearance and then click Customize. Okay, so once you've gotten to this spot, you're going to see this sidebar over here. So as you can see, we've got home and services listed right now. And we're just going to go to static front page. So this option here, we're going to click on that. And we see that we have a home page. We have a post page. So we'll just say I want to add a new page for the blog. I can add that here. But since we already have one, I'll leave it as is. So I can shoot, if you don't have a blog page already, then it's going to look something like this. And so I'm just going to click blog, and then I can publish that. And once I go to my blog, you can see that I have a blog page here. And every time I post, it's going to automatically populate to this page. If you're not sure how to add the blog page to your menu bar, that's okay. We've got a video on how to add menu items and change around menu items to your nav bar. You can find that in our previous videos in this video series.